Morning, my dear students. Yesterday we have seen types of skimming. What are the methods, skimming methods we have seen. And you have been given one activity. You are given a paragraph, and you have to answer all the questions. I will send the answers for the question. Just I will explain the paragraph. Just skimming, how to skim the paragraph. See, or please go through that paragraph. It is in the PDF version 70 page number, but in the book version you have some previous number 65 or something. Drug usage often escalates into abuse. How this happens is not surprising. At very basic level, this happens when the person concerned feels a desperate need to deal with the stress hook. It reaches a stage where the person begins to believe that his survival depends on it. So, it deals about drugs. If you depend on one drug, a particular drug, it will affect your mind, body and everything. So, drug abuse is the main theme of this paragraph. So, this is skimming. So, drug abuse deals with drug abuse simply. So, every paragraph, brain damage, starting word, brain damage is one of the followers. So, what are the causes of drug abuse? Brain damage are there. And associated with euphoric behavior, which is why users keep on repeating the same actions. They repeat the words. They don't have brain control. So, these are the causes of drug abuse. So, how to avoid this? Prevention is better than cure. Rather than taking medicine, you got to prevent. So, these are the things it has been discussed in this paragraph. On seeing the first line of the paragraph, you can understand. This is called skimming. Example. I will give you all the answers. I will send all the answers. Next one, method, reading method, scanning. Reading skill, scanning. Already I told you, you got to scan your pot. Scanning for stomach, scanning for, suppose if you are having any problem in your body, you got to scan on the particular place. So, in the extensive paragraph or story, you got to scan for something which is very important. Content, you got to scan. Go and see, search for content. That is called scanning. Scanning through eyes, scanning through mind. So, another method is scanning. Important points you got to scan. Next one, reading. You have two types of reading: extensive reading, intensive reading. Extensive reading, wide range of reading. Reading for pleasure. You can read extensively books. Somebody will like horror books. Somebody will like adventure books, like famous authors, Pattukotte Prabhakar. Detective books, detective novels. I am very fond of detective novels. Rajesh Kumar. I will read extensively. That is called extensive reading. Extensive reading, it will improve your language also. For example, newspaper, extensive reading. It is reading. What is intensive reading? Intensive coaching classes. Intensive coach. You got to give intensive coaching for the students. What do you mean by intensive coaching? You got to see for content. You got to look for grammar. This is for pleasure reading. This is for looking for grammar, how they frame the words, structure, studying, analyzing. Intensive. So, two types of readings: extensive reading, intensive reading. Just like newspaper, you need not remember all those things. Just you have to read. That will improve your language. And also intensive reading mainly. That will improve your language. How they use the words, how the structure of the sentences, usage of adjectives, how they use. Grammar, looking for grammar. This is called intensive reading. So, reading have two types. Scanning skimming methods, intensive. So this is useful for research. For research purpose, a researcher does intensive reading, review literature for review literature. This is for improving skills. So skimming, scanning, these are all reading skills. And reading two types, extensive and intensive reading. We have exercises. I will do the exercise and I will send you the answers. Okay, yes. We will see the exercises in the next class.